it yourself.
Hi! We've had such a great time making videos lately, and I thought it would be fun to show you one of the tricks that we use in case you wanted to try it at home. This is called a green screen. When someone takes a video against a green background, you can then use a computer program to replace the green color with any other picture or video you want. After you change the background, you can add animation and move the image around in all sorts of ways and create a story that wasn't there before. Big production studios have huge green backdrops and lots of fancy, expensive equipment. But all you really need to get started is a green tablecloth and a decent camera phone. First, hang the tablecloth on a flat surface and try to smooth out as many wrinkles as you can. Then, you want to make the area as bright as possible. If you're making the video indoors, then grab every lamp and light you have and circle them around the screen. You want to avoid big dark shadows. The little ones are no big deal. The easiest way to get lots of light without lots of shadows is to set up outside on a super cloudy, overcast day. If there aren't any clouds, then see if you can find a spot that's completely in the shade but still catches the brightness of the surrounding sunshine. Now you'll need to keep the camera as still as possible while you're filming. So if you don't have a tripod, then prop it up creatively on something that's the right height. Okay, this part is really important. When you take the video, you have to make sure the subject is completely surrounded by green. So if you want someone's entire body in the shot, they'll need to be standing on something green as well. If someone's arms or feet are sticking out past the screen, they'll get cut off in editing. Oh, and one more thing, no green clothing. If you really need to capture something that's a green color, then you can always use a blue screen instead. So, if you make it really bright with no big dark shadows, stabilize the camera, and stay within the green background, you'll be off to a really good start. Now, if you're not up for investing the time and money into a fancy computer program to swap out the green background yourself, it's pretty easy and affordable to hire someone online to do it for you. I'll put a link in the description with more information about the services that we've used in the past. Or you can usually find a friend or neighbor who knows how to do it and can help you out. All right, have a great time making your own video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to see more tutorials for fun family projects. And if you have any questions, send us a message. Bye-bye. Mwah!